Hello everyone, once again my name is David Valenzuela and I will be walking you step by step on how to check your computer specifications, checking your memory to see how much memory you have on your laptop or hard drive, checking to see also the space on the hard drive to see what's available. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do, you can go into this little dialog box here, click on it here, and then we just click on the PC right here, this PC here. We right click on right click properties, and the first I'm going to minimize this so you guys can see this, guys. So basically what I just did, I went into the system. You could go about going into the control panel and clicking on system. So here it gives you basic information about your computer. For example, like on mine has Windows 10, yours will have either Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10 as well. The processor on there, it'll tell you right here, this one is an Intel Core i7 with a 2.7 gigahertz. The installation memory, it'll tell you right here is 16 gigabytes. Yours might be 2 gigabytes, 4 gigs, 8 gigs, 16 gigs, 32 gigs. It depends on the processor. So the processor is a 64-bit. And your computer name, by default, it'll have the name of your computer. It'll tell you exactly if Windows is activated. If it isn't, just make sure it is activated. So the next thing I'll show you, I will go about going back into the I will close it again, and now we're going to be checking the hard drive. So what I just did, I went into the Explorer and I clicked on local C drive, and I'm going to right click, and now we're going to check out the local hard drive. That is, it'll show, like on mine, it'll show me I have 225 gigabytes of storage capacity, and free I only have 12.4, which I've used a lot, so you can just imagine. So if I close that as well, and then I just go about that. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.